In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Microsoft Teams add-in missing issue in Outlook. This is a common problem that many users experience, and it can be quite frustrating when you want to schedule and manage your Teams meetings right from Outlook, but the add-in seems to have vanished. So let's go through the steps together to bring it back. First, let's start by opening up Outlook. Make sure you have it up and running on your computer. Once you have Outlook open, you're going to want to direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen. There you'll see the File tab, so go ahead and click on it. This will open up a new menu that includes all sorts of options and settings within Outlook. After you've clicked on File, you'll see a list on the left-hand sidebar. From this list, choose Options. The Options menu is where you'll find many settings that allow you to customize your Outlook experience to suit your needs. So, once you've clicked Options, a new window will pop up. In this options window, you're going to look for the add-ins link on the left-hand panel. This is crucial because the add-ins section is where you can manage all the add-ons and extensions that integrate into Outlook. Clicking on add-ins will give you an overview of everything that's currently set up and running in your Outlook. Now, once you're in the add-ins pane, focus on the View and Manage Microsoft Office add-ins section that appears in the main window. You'll need to look for a section that says Add-ins Available. From here, ensure that the Microsoft Teams Meeting add-in is checked. This option allows Outlook and Teams to work in tandem and should always be enabled unless there's a reason to disable it. Once you've confirmed that this add-in is selected, you can press OK at the bottom of the window. However, the journey doesn't end here. You will be directed back to the add-ins window and you'll need to stay focused. On this page, there's a stunning little button that simply says Go. Now, that's all in uppercase so you won't miss it. Click on Go to proceed to a new dialog box. Now, in this new dialog box, you will see a list of all the active and inactive application add-ins. If the Teams add-in is listed under inactive or disabled items, simply check the box next to it and select OK. This will reactivate it, and you should now be able to see the Teams add-in within Outlook. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully restored the Microsoft Teams add-in in Outlook. This can significantly improve your workflow, allowing you to schedule Teams meetings directly. Happy working!